ada apa perubahan. Good morning guys, welcome back to Metamorphosa Bali channel with Totok Dreams. So today we will do our next activity, make a baby coral. Let's go follow us. Let's come follow us. Oke guys, ikutin kita sekarang. Selamat pagi semua teman-teman. Kita mau ada program penanaman terumbu karang kembali, yaitu transplantation. Kita buat baby coral. We make baby coral di nursery kita, di kebun coral kita di sana. Ayo ikutin kegiatan kita bersama tim kita sekarang. Selamat datang di tempat kita. Welcome to our base. Kita akan prepare dulu. We will prepare for the all equipment. And this is we will use. We leave this one underwater, the bed. We use this one from iron, fisherman line. Atau kita gunakan tasi guys untuk kita buat kotak-kotak untuk lokasi kita nanti setelah kita lakukan pembuatan bahan, karena kita akan gunakan ini sebagai cangkok dari kita cangkok karang. We use this one, the place like mushroom, seperti mushroom ya. And then we put semen yang kita sudah mix. Cement we will mix here, and then we put baby coral like maybe like 10 centimeters big, the size ukurannya nggak terlalu besar karena kita mau monitoring juga. Nanti kita setelah kita lengkap dengan alat yang kita sudah prepare, completely all equipment preparing material, we leave like this one underwater, di bawah air. Kita isi dengan semen, we will fill with the cement, and also we will planting the coral underwater. It's not on the surface because coral tidak boleh terkena matahari penuh. Not possible coral they can touch with the light very long because the coral is very sensitive, they will bleaching. Ini bisa mati dia kalau terlalu banyak kena matahari. Jadi kita prepare di surface di tempat kita, siapin semuanya, baru kita turun dengan alat diving yang kita juga prepare, baru kita akan lakukan transplantasi. Jadi we will make the baby coral underwater, and then we selection for the baby coral which one is good enough to transplantation, and then we will working underwater guys. Sebagai media karang and media coral, we use cement also, and we mix with the sand, and we use cement. So this is just to touch the coral stay inside the media coral, untuk memastikan coral itu tinggalnya di sini guys, agar coral itu stay strong, doesn't move from the surge or from the wave. And just make sure the coral also can grow here very well before we're planting to different area. And this is we will do in several days. And please follow our activity Metamorphosa Bali with Totok Streams. Thank you guys. Oke guys, kita akan lakukan penanaman terumbu karang. We will start for planting new baby coral, and we use our diving equipment because we can do free diving. We have to stay a bit longer, even in shallow water. To have a good process for the transplantation, we have to stay a bit longer underwater. Kita harus stay di 3 meter itu lebih lama guys. Kita harus gunakan alat diving. Ya, di sini kita kerja, ada yang monitoring. So we have team monitoring from the surface, and I have to working underwater. Okay, follow me from the surface, not follow me underwater. Kita akan turun sekarang. We have to go down and start now for planting coral. Okay guys, see you. To make a baby coral underwater, first time we have to find good coral in our nursery, and we make a selection, make sure the coral we use for baby coral good looking and healthy. Kita harus perhatikan pertama sebelum kita melakukan pencangkokan, kita harus lihat terumbu karang di nursery kita harus mengadakan seleksi yang mana kita akan potong untuk dicangkok kembali untuk diperbanyak. So after that, when we have enough coral ready to planting in our small base for the baby coral, we have to put cement, because cement we use like a glue to keep a coral strong stay with our with the media coral. Kita akan lakukan ini setelah kita potong-potong, baru kita isi dulu cangkok semua tempat karang yang kita buat itu dengan semen, karena semen kita gunakan untuk perekat sebagai penguat dasar koral agar bisa stay stable di sana. So after that, we have to start planting coral, and make sure we have to leave the position vertical, and we have to do very slow until the coral stays stable. Kita harus pelan-pelan menanam, pastikan karang yang kita tanam itu posisinya vertikal, terus tidak jatuh dan stabil di cangkok yang kita letakkan di atas cangkok terumbu karang tersebut. Nah, setelah beberapa menit, mungkin semen akan mengeras dan karang pun akan stay di sana. Jadi kita tinggal memonitoring untuk beberapa hari kemudian. After few minutes, we leave the coral with the media, and then we will see if the coral already stays strong with the media, and then we have to come back again in few days for monitoring. Just make sure the coral all starting growing and adaptation. guys, kita sudah lakukan penanaman baby coral yang kita sudah buat di bawah. Sekitar kita tanam ada 500. We just planted at least 500 baby coral, so below 2-3 meters here, and we need to planting more and more, and hopefully saya harap coral can grow very well like we hope, seperti kita harapkan. Oke, so ini kita akan lakukan lagi guys, ya di bawah cukup lumayan kita bekerja. So we have to control buoyancy, kontrol keseimbangan di bawah laut untuk menanam koral, to stay good buoyancy while we planting coral, in not destroying other coral, tidak merusak koral-koral yang lain. Oke guys, ikuti terus ya Metamorfosa Bali.